Well, I just want to say, welcome back guys. Before we start this video, I just want to say, I've been doing this for about 4 years, and honestly, let's just say I do not advise you to go look at my first videos because they were terrible. But I just want to thank you guys, because we finally reached 700 subscribers. And look, I know what you may be thinking,
well, that's not that much.
I mean, it is for me. I am so happy we got this far. And to celebrate, I'm sitting here drinking my Coca-Cola. Not sponsored, by the way, though I wish. Anyway, let's get started. So, I know you guys can tell already, my nails they're a mess. I know I haven't painted them today because I didn't have time. This video was kind of a rush, so we're gonna have to deal with it. So in this video, we're gonna try to recreate this look I found online using the things we already have. But before we start, I want to show you right quick. So this is my leg harness. I'm really proud of this. Now, I've been very behind on schedule, but let me know down in the comments if you would like a video on how I made the harness. So for my crafting videos, what I used to do is I used to just record and not talk. So I'm just curious if you guys really like me talking and me doing a voiceover, or do you just like it if I'm just quiet and the video just rolls and I'm just, making the crafts? Let me know down in the comments which you prefer, because I don't know if you guys really like me talking or if you find my voice cringy or something. Just let me know in the comments because I'm trying to make some improvements. So I really want your opinion on this. So I'm thinking of making doll rooms, but I want to make more of a dark kind of goth, modern kind of room. And I'm just curious if you guys want to see me step out of my comfort zone and try to make something new other than just, clothes and stuff. So I'm kind of thinking if I should do the rooms behind the scenes, or would you like me to show you guys everything that I'm doing? And as we move into October, I feel like I want to add some horror stories to the mix as I'm crafting, just to, spice things up a little bit. I kind of want to try new things, kind of trying to step out of my comfort zone. So, I don't know, maybe we will try it, we'll see. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. And I also forgot to mention, if it might seem a little bit darker than usual, one of my lights got burnt out, so I'm kind of working with one light here. So I'm so sorry if it seems a bit darker than usual. I might have to play with the color grading and try to, get it brighter. But again, apologies for the bad lighting. Okay, so we have everything we need right here. Now I'm going to start putting that onto fabric. So I'm using the black fabric. It's going to be kind of blurry on this camera because my camera is really not a good camera. So I'm so sorry if it's kind of hard to see and it's a bit blurry. So I'm adding a waistband, but I'm also making sure I have the elastic in the fabric. I know you guys can't see right now, but as you're sewing, be sure you're pulling the elastic to make sure it has its stretch, so you won't be sewing on the elastic. top of the pockets, I'm gonna sew and just leave an opening and then sew around the edges. Now I can add that to the pants. So I'm not gonna sew the lace on, I'm just gonna glue it on because if I sew it on, it kind of just ruins it. So I'm using fabric glue for this. Now, as you can see, I have a needle in it because I'm kind of waiting for the glue to dry, and as the glue is drying, I still want an opening for the jumbo rings. And I've added a cuff to the leg. For a better fit, we're going to pull the elastic a bit, and then we're going to close it up. And here's how the pants are looking. They're looking really nice, but we still want to add some jumbo rings for extra details. Here are the jumbo rings, just in case you want to buy you some. They can be found at Walmart for $3.97, and there's different size in one pack. So I have like more of a medium size, and I'm going to add that all around. And as you can see, I have added them everywhere. It's time to make the chain. I'm using the jumbo rings, a necklace chain, and some hooks. Now I'm opening it up with scissors because I don't have the tools needed, sadly. Then I'm going to put the chain through the hoop. And we're already finished. Now let's add it to the pants. And here's how it looks. Honestly, this is so cute, and you can size this to any size you want. You can make it a little higher or maybe a little lower if you like. I am using some yarn, and I'm just gonna put that in the center of the pants. Now we can tie it up. And now we have a bit more detail. And I just want to say thank you guys for over 100 followers on Instagram. I am truly so happy. If you don't follow me there already, then what are you doing? Go follow me there. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye!